Welcome to the channel Encyclopedia Catanica. Today we have this interesting padlock from Temu. This is it. It's purely Chinese, generic Chinese padlock. It's made by Shengli brand. And of course we have here manufacturer Yiwu Miaoye Trading Company, Xuzhai Village and Yiwu City, Zhejiang Province. Zhejiang Province is practically the most famous province from which all the locks coming from. So most of the locks, Chinese locks you see, they are from Zhejiang Province. The name is really interesting. It says Holy Power. The lock name is named Holy Power. And those letters down there, they says waterproof padlock or water resistant padlock. Up here we have enhanced, and it says European style closed shackle atomic padlock. This atomic is very interesting. What is atomic about this lock? But everything about it, it's epic, because this is one of a kind lock. So down there we have the God will protect your home, probably because this lock won't protect your home. So let's see how this lock looks. It comes with 3 keys, and this is it. It isn't so thick, but it's really well made. In speaking of aesthetics, pure Chinese aesthetics, generic Chinese aesthetics. So the keyway is smiley type dimple lock. So that's it, pretty much it. If you look closely, first pin, it has this shape like a spool, but it doesn't have to do anything with spools. It has sidebar somewhere located, probably from this or this side, and when all the pins are aligned correctly, the sidebar moves inside into this groove and the lock opens. So the mechanism is really simple but pretty effective, especially because it's not easy to pick this lock if you don't use correct tension wrench. If you have it, if you make it, those locks are really easy to pick, but without it, you can't pick it. At least I can't pick it, because I don't have steel tension wrench for such type of lock, of core. It has 2 drain holes. It says top security as always. And I could tell you guys, this lock is really interesting in speaking of as a collector's item. Let's unlock it. 3 keys. Smiley dimple style. It works fine. Ball bearing mechanism, double locking type. And this down there you see, it's a retaining rod for the core. I don't know why it's covered like that, but on the smaller version it's naked. You could see it protruding from the beginning of the body till the core. but this one is closed, partially closed. It has this hole, probably a drain hole. It connects it with a drain hole. So pretty interesting lock, I could tell you. Really cool lock. Shackle is made out of soft steel with huge amount of chrome plating. The body is made out of zinc with this really unique coating. I'm not sure what kind of coating is that, but it's some kind of epoxy resin. So I saw those locks in use, not particular brand, but some Mindies and Rich Doors, and when they are subjected to harsh weather, to lots of sun hitting and rain and cold weather, this coating begins to disintegrate, and it smells really unique and weird, and it becomes green, literally green, like in case of brass when starting with corrosion. Brass could corrode also, but it's very rare to find corroded brass. But this thing could corrode really violently, and the lock is seized and it smells pretty weird, pretty bad. I don't know what kind of chemistry is used for coating that lock, but it's not funny. When it starts to decompose itself, it's not funny at all. It could be toxic also. We have this star. This is some kind of cap for assembling cap or something like that. It's cool that they put star on it. So usually when you see lots of engravings on the lock, this has to be zinc, because other materials are really hard to engrave in such way. So when you see it shining, probably it's because of a thick layer of that epoxy resin. So guys, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.